In this video, we are demonstrating an AI use case for an expert system, where AI is assisting a boiler engineer locate their next job and understand what the work might entail. In this scenario, a customer has reported a problem with their boiler and has provided an error code and their observations. The expert assistant has provided information about previous callouts. Once the engineer has arrived at the property, they use the expert assistant to access detailed repair instructions. Once the repair is complete, the expert assistant prepares a summary report based on the initial problem and the repair procedure carried out. It also enables the engineer to include their own observations in the report. Once the engineer is happy with the summary report, the expert assistant adds it to the customer record for future reference.